A for apple. B for bike. C for cake. D for doll. E for ear. F for fish. G for goat. H for honey. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for king. L for lily. M for mango. N for nose. O for owl. P for pot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for snail. T for tree. U for unicorn. V for van. W for wood. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zero.